All right, so let's talk about Terraform usages and Terraform commands. Now, as you can see on my screen, still in the HashiCorp environment, we can take a look at some of the usages of Terraform. For example, one of them states here that Terraform can manage infrastructures on multiple cloud platforms. When we talk about cloud platforms, we're talking about AWS, we're talking about Azure, talking about Google Cloud platforms. There are other cloud platforms that are out there, but these are the three major platforms that we can reference for now. And Terraform can be used to manage infrastructures on these platforms. Okay. Another beautiful thing about Terraform is the fact that it allows you to track resources changes throughout your deployment. So any single changes that occur on your deployment and you want to track and monitor the changes on those resources, with Terraform you can be able to do so via the Terraform state file, which I'm going to be showing you as we progress. Now, when we talk about the Terraform commands, let's take a look at the list of them. So for us to pull up the commands, I have a terminal up here. On the terminal, I'm going to type in Terraform space. We're going to put in minus version. And then once we click on enter, as long as I have Terraform installed, it is going to pull the commands for me. First thing, we want to check out that we have Terraform installed, and this is what Terraform. So as you can see, I have my Terraform installed. Now let's see if we can pull up the commands. So if I put in minus up, let's put in minus up in there and click on enter, then the list of commands comes up. When we talk about Terraform commands, Terraform have main commands. What are the main commands of Terraform? We have the Terraform init, we have Terraform validate, we have Terraform plan, apply, and destroy. So once we have everything set up on our configuration file, how do we deploy into our platform? Well, first thing you have to do is to initialize. While second thing is to validate your template. Third is to plan. And then fourth is to apply those resources into the platform. And once you are done with everything you want to do, you can now go ahead and destroy the resources. Now, these are the main commands that we are going to be working with as we progress. Terraform also have other commands as you can see. When I scroll down, you're going to take a look at them and what they do as well.